Hello, this video is about how we repair minor finish damage to granite during a clean, polish, and seal. We are SureShine, and we are part of the SureShine Service Network, a network of elite stone restoration professionals that specialize in all types of polishing and repair of natural stone and other surfaces. Currently, we have 47 members in the United States and Canada, and we are growing every week. To find someone that you can rely on to solve your stone-related problem, click the link below. Please remember that we are all independent operators, so the SureShine Service Network is not directly affiliated with any member. This video, though a how-to, is an information-only video that explains how a professional will restore your counter. I don't suggest tackling this on your own. The raw footage, along with my step-by-step process, will be found on the Granite Counter Polishing class at stonecareedu.com. A link is below in the description there as well. There's also a discount code that will allow you to have lifetime access to this class and all the improvements of the class for $9.99 there as well. I think the list cost is around $24.99. Here you can see we have a granite counter that has been badly damaged around the faucets by water. This happens when water is allowed to sit for a long period of time and degrade the minerals within the fabric of the granite, causing pitting and other problems. Mineral damage also occurs from hard water and constant evaporation, leaving minerals behind, similar to the damage that occurs on shower doors. No matter what surface you have in your kitchen, you should keep the area around your faucets dry. For non-acid sensitive stones, you can periodically use vinegar to remove mineral residue, but never use vinegar on marble, travertine, onyx, and other calcite-based stones. What you did not see here is the removal of an ugly grout line in the back that was at one time sanded grout and was covered with silicone. This will be discussed in the long-form class online. The first order of business here is smoothing the surface. We do that using a 4-inch honeycomb copper bonded diamonds on a 4-inch no-spin edger backer pad. We don't want to get too close to the backsplash with the first and second grit. After that, our no-spin edger will really help us out by allowing our diamonds to get very close to the tiles on the wall without damaging them. Anything missed by the diamonds will then get covered up when we reinstall sanded grout or caulking on the backsplash line. You will see me using a white marking pen to mark my areas with each grit. This is done because you want to limit your refinished area to reduce your time and prevent over sanding. When you start polishing, you will be thankful that you used the pen to limit your grinding area. While this video only shows the grinding and polishing on the rear of the sink, this small project included cleaning, polishing, and sealing the entire kitchen and regrouting the backsplash. When doing a project that involves using diamonds around the sink, you will want to use your diamonds first, then blend to the existing surface and polish the entire area to make sure everything is the same shine. When doing this, take your time. Polishing with MB20 one time is not always enough. This video shows a single application of MB20 to the rear of the sink. I'm sure you could see how shiny the last diamond made it, so multiple applications of MB20 were not necessary. I did polish the areas on either side of the sink and the front sink rail a couple of times to get the shine I was looking for. You can see the area in front of the camera that is already polished. I really appreciate you watching this video. If there's any questions that you have, please let me know. Please subscribe and like this video. We have a lot more to show you. Take care.